Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with a Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro spindle collet replacement tutorial. The Makera Z1 comes standard with an 1/8 inch or 3.175mm spindle collet suitable for most desktop CNC tools. But the Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro also supports replacing your spindle collet to different sizes to fit different tool shank diameters and accessories of various sizes. Remove the tool before replacing the collet to avoid injury during operation. To replace the collet, you will need your collet installation tool that's included in the Makera Z1 toolkit. Pull down the tool change lever to lock the spindle and prevent rotation. Loosen the old collet using your collet installation tool by rotating it counterclockwise. Once loosened using the tool, you can remove it fully by using your hand. To install a new collet, pull down the tool change lever to lock it in place, insert your new collet, and start to tighten it by hand in the clockwise direction. Once hand tightened, tighten it fully using the collet installation tool, then release the tool change lever and the collet replacement is completed. Remember to replace the shank diameter of your probe and other accessories whenever you replace your spindle collet. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.